Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to study anatomy and physiology for nursing effectively. To truly master these subjects, begin by grasping the fundamental concepts before diving into specific details. Always connect anatomical structures with their physiological roles. This integrated approach is crucial. Employ active recall techniques like quizzing yourself to solidify your understanding. Consistent, regular review, perhaps for 30 minutes each day, will significantly enhance your long-term retention and prepare you for success in your nursing career. Engaging in active learning is paramount for deep understanding. Try drawing out complex systems, like the cardiovascular or nervous system, and labeling all the parts without looking at your notes. Then, explain these concepts aloud, as if teaching someone else. This reveals gaps in your knowledge. Flashcards are excellent for memorizing key terms, definitions, and normal values, such as a normal heart rate of 60 to 100 beats per minute. Finally, apply your knowledge by working through clinical case studies. Leverage all available resources to enhance your learning. Your primary textbook and lecture notes are invaluable. Read them carefully and take detailed notes. Supplement this with educational videos and animations, which can bring complex processes to life, like the intricate steps of muscle contraction. Consider joining a study group to discuss challenging topics and gain different perspectives. Also, utilize anatomical models and charts, often found in labs, to visualize structures in 3 dimensions, which greatly aids comprehension. To truly excel, consistently apply your anatomy and physiology knowledge to real-world nursing scenarios. Think about how a specific condition impacts a patient's body systems and what nursing interventions would be appropriate. Regularly practice with various question types, including multiple choice and short answer, to prepare for exams. Schedule dedicated review sessions, perhaps 2 to 3 hours each week, to revisit all material. This ongoing process helps identify areas where you need more focused study, ensuring comprehensive mastery.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.